Good morning, class 3. This is your ma'am S.T. Joshi, and I'm here again to teach you English literature. Okay, today we will do a new lesson, and the lesson is Pinocchio Becomes a Real Boy. Okay, before we start to read the lesson, I would tell you something about the background of this lesson. Now, this lesson is about a man named Geppetto. Okay, and he was a wood carver, a person who carves things and makes things out of wood is known as a wood carver. And but in his heart he had a wish to have a child of his own. He was alone, he had no family with him. He had a wish to have a child of his own. वो चाहता था कि उसका अपना एक खुद का कोई बच्चा हो, क्योंकि वो अकेला रहता था. And one night while he was sleeping, he saw a star. Before going to sleep, he saw a star, and he wished in his heart, oh, I wish I had a child of my own. And before that, few days before that, when he had wished this, he had made a boy. He had carved a boy out of wood. He had carved a boy out of wood, and he named that boy Pinocchio. What did he name the boy? Pinocchio. And he he wished that this boy, like this boy, it was carved out of wood, but in his heart he had a wish to have a own child, a real child, not a not a boy made out of wood, but a real child. And he named the boy Pinocchio, and he was a puppet. What he was? A puppet. What is a puppet? A puppet is a it is something like it is a कठपुतली, जिसे हम हिंदी में कठपुतली कहते हैं, and it has strings attached to it, and it is being controlled by a person. Okay, we see many shows on puppets, uh, and you can use it. You must have seen strings, and with your strings you can move the puppet. So this Pinocchio was also a puppet, but his father or his carver जिसने उसको बनाया, in his heart he had a desire to have a real child. Okay, so while he was sleeping, he wished in his heart, and that very night a fairy came to this puppet, Pinocchio, and it touched the boy Pinocchio, and it gave life to him. Okay, and when Pinocchio got up in the morning, he saw that he could talk and walk. Okay, so this was a wish granted to him. Pinocchio still was not had not still yet become a real boy. He was still made out of wood. Okay, but he could walk and he could talk. And the fairy said that if this boy behaves nicely, if this boy become is brave and speaks truth and is not selfish, अगर ये puppet जो है आगे चल के अगर अच्छे से रहता है, झूठ नहीं बोलता, और ब्रेव होता है, टफ होता है, और अनसेल्फिश होता है, मतलब कि कोई उसके अंदर लालच नहीं होता, अपने लिए कोई बात नहीं होती, दूसरों के लिए सोचता है, देन ओनली तभी वो जो है एक रियल बॉय बन पाएगा. बट Pinocchio could not prove to be a good person. Pinocchio could not prove to be a good puppet. He always thought about himself. He did not think anything about his father, but he thought about himself, so he could not become a real boy. He was still made out of wood, and he could walk, he could talk, but he was not a real boy. He did not have this skin. He did not have this soft skin. He still was made out of wood. Now, but he had made many mistakes, and because of his mistakes he had hurt his father very much, and now his father is has become old. Now this story tells us what happens next, what happens afterwards. So let us read the story Pinocchio Becomes a Real Boy. Okay, I'll read it to you and you listen to me very carefully. Pinocchio was truly sorry. He remembered all the trouble and the pain he had given to Geppetto, his father Geppetto. He promised to look after his father, who had become very weak and old. Pinocchio had always hated hard work, but now he worked hard to take care of his father. After his father became well, Pinocchio decided to save some money to buy clothes for himself. Now, here what is Pinocchio saying? Pinocchio was really sorry. Why was he sorry? Because he was sorry because he had made many mistakes, he had made many wrong choices. वो सॉरी क्यों था, वो दुखी क्यों था? क्योंकि उसने इससे पहले बहुत गलतियां करी थी, बहुत गलत विशेष किए थे, बहुत गलत डिसीजंस लिए थे अपने लाइफ में, इसलिए वो बहुत सॉरी था और उसको दुख था. एंड ही हैड मेड हिज फादर ऑल्सो वेरी सैड. उसने अपने फादर जपेटो को भी बहुत दुखी किया था. जो जुपेटो ने उसके लिए सोचा था, पिनोकियो ने वैसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं किया. और दो बार एंड टू टाइम्स he did something which made Geppetto really sad. And one of the times what happened, what this boy Pinocchio was known that whenever he lied, whenever he told the lies, his nose would grow longer. इस स्टोरी में स्पेशल ये था कि जब ये लड़का पिनोकियो जो कि वुड से बना हुआ था, जब भी वो झूठ बोलता था तो उसकी नोज़ जो थी वो लंबी होती जाती थी. एक बार झूठ बोलता था थोड़ी सी लंबी होती थी, दूसरी बार झूठ बोलता था और लंबी हो जाती थी. वेन एवर ही लाइड ऑलवेज his nose became longer and longer and longer. So, and that is why this story is very famous. So what, and in this lesson he is feeling sorry for all the mistakes he had done, but now he decides that he will take care of his father. Now his father, who is Geppetto, is very very sad, is and very sad and very old and weak also. And Pinocchio decides that he will take care of his father. And Pinocchio, before this, before Pinocchio hated hard work. Pinocchio did not like to do hard work. Pinocchio को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था कि कोई hard work मेहनत करे. Okay, but now Pinocchio was changing. Okay, Pinocchio was changing. He was becoming better, and he decided that he will work hard and he will take care of his father. And after some days, after his father became well, he decided that he will buy a new suit for himself. What did he decide? He decided that he will buy a new suit for himself. Now let's see what happens further. Let me read for you. On his way to the market, he met the snail. Pinocchio was glad to see him and asked him where the good and the kind fairy was. He was sad to learn that she was ill. On the way, while he was going to buy the new suit for himself, he met a snail. He met the snail which he had met earlier. उस रास्ते में उसको एक स्नेल दिखाई दिया जो उससे पहले भी उसको वो जानता था. एंड he asked about the fairy. Do you remember the fairy who had blessed Pinocchio that he could become a real boy or he could walk and talk? That same fairy. He asked about that fairy, and the snail said that the fairy was not well. उस स्नेल ने बताया कि जो फेरी जिसके बारे में पिनोकियो पूछ रहा था उसकी तबीयत अच्छी नहीं है, वो बीमार है. Now let us see what happens. And Pinocchio was very very sad to know that the good fairy, the kind fairy who had made Pinocchio to walk and talk was not well. She was sick. Now let us see what happens further. Oh, the poor fairy. If I had lot of money, I would give it to her. But I have only 2 shillings. Take them. I was just going to buy a new suit. Go quickly and give the money to the kind fairy. And when Pinocchio comes to know that this fairy is very ill, very sick, उसकी तबीयत खराब है, he is very sad. वो बहुत दुखी हो जाता है. And he says, okay, I wish I could I wish I had lot of money. वो सोचता है कि काश मेरे पास बहुत पैसे होते. I wish I had lot of money, but he did not have lot of money. He had only 2 shillings. Okay, he had only 2 shillings, and this is a currency. Shilling is a currency. Like in India, we use rupees. Rupees is a currency. In the same way, in another place, shilling is also a currency. And he said, I have only 2 shillings, but you take these 2 shillings and you give it to the good fairy. Okay, I will buy my suit some other time. Now what is Pinocchio doing here? He is being very unselfish. Okay, he is not thinking about himself, but he is thinking about the fairy who is not well. He is not thinking that, oh, I have to go and buy the suit. I don't care what the fair how the fairy is, but I want to buy a new suit. No, he is he is being very unselfish. He is being very generous, being very kind. वो बहुत अच्छा सोच रहा है. वो ये नहीं सोच रहा कि ओ मैं क्यों, मुझे क्या मतलब किसी से, मैं जाके अपना सूट खरीद लूँगा. पर वो कहता है कि नहीं, तुम ये पैसे ले लो और तुम ये पैसे जाके फेरी को दे देना. ओके, ताकि वो अपनी तबीयत को ठीक कर सके. नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट हैपेंस फर्दर. But and what did the snail say? But what about your new suit? And the snail says, तुम्हारे उस नए सूट का क्या होगा फिर? What about the new suit? And what did Pinocchio say? Don't ask questions. Go, snail, hurry. Come back in 2 days' time to take some more. Till now I have worked for my father. Father, now on I will work for my kind fairy. Goodbye, snail. And when the snail the asks Pinocchio, what about your suit? You are going to buy a new suit. He says, don't ask any more questions. Just go and give this money to the fairy. Okay? And come after 2 days. By then I will be having more money. मेरे पास और पैसे, मैं और काम करूँगा, मेरे पास और पैसे होंगे. Then you come to me. Okay? Till now I worked hard for my father, to take care of my father. Now I will work hard for the fairy. अभी तक मैंने अपने फादर को के लिए काम किया कि उनकी तबीयत अच्छी हो. अब मैं फेरी के लिए काम करूँगा. Okay, now let us see what is written further. When Pinocchio reached home, Geppetto asked him, where is your new suit? I did not like any at the shop, said Pinocchio. That evening, Pinocchio, instead of working till 10, worked up to midnight. He made 16 baskets instead of 8 baskets. Now, what happened? When he returned back home, his father, Geppetto, he asked him, hey, you had gone to buy a new suit. And where is that new suit? And Pinocchio said, oh, I didn't like any suit. None of the suits attracted me. I didn't like any of them. And then earlier Pinocchio used to work for till 10. Okay, he used to work till 10 at night, but now Pinocchio started working harder and he worked till midnight, till 12. Okay, earlier he would work hard till 10, but now he started working hard till 12 o'clock. And earlier he made 6 baskets. He made 8 baskets, and now he made how many? 16 baskets. He made 16 baskets instead of 8. So what is the difference you are seeing here? The difference is that Pinocchio is working very hard. He is working very hard. Earlier he worked hard for his father. Now he is working hard for the fairy. And so that when he will have more baskets, he will sell them, he will have more money, and then he can send that money to the fairy, and the fairy can take care of herself. But before this lesson, I told you about the background of this lesson, that Pinocchio was a very selfish boy. He always thought about himself. He gave lot of trouble to his father. He always listened whatever he wanted to do. Okay, he did not care about others. But now we can see that Pinocchio is changing. Okay, his heart is changing. Instead of being selfish, now he is being unselfish. पहले वो ऐसा नहीं था. पहले वो अपने बारे में सोचता था. ओके, इसीलिए वो एक रियल बॉय अभी तक नहीं बन पाया था. ही कुड नॉट बिकम अ रियल बॉय. एंड द फेरी हैड सेड टू हिम that if you become brave, if you become unselfish, then you will become a real boy. Okay, now in the next till in the next lesson, in the next part, I will tell you what happened further, and we will find out whether Pinocchio ever became a real boy or not. Would you like to find out? Would you like to know? Yes, in the next part of this lesson, I will tell you, we will read and I will tell you whether Pinocchio became a real boy or not, whether he was blessed by the fairy to become a real boy. Okay, now this is the lesson, and listen to this video again, and in the next part I will tell you, read for you more of the lesson. Then we will do the exercises, we will do the word meanings and the question answers. Okay children, God bless you.